Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to uninstall apps on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go to the app that you wanted to delete. For example, if you wanted to delete the PayPal over here, what I need to do is I just need to go over here, just press and hold on the PayPal app. So I'll be getting these options. Now from here you can see there is an option called remove app. So I have to tap on the remove app. Now we have two options. Either you can remove it from the home screen, so it will be removed from the home screen but the app will be installed on your device, and we have another alternative options called delete app as well. Now you can choose it whichever you wanted from here and you can delete it, and that is how we can do it. And right now, apart from this, we have one more step that is all about you have to go to the rightmost over here like this. So you'll be taken to the app library. Now you can see we have all these kind of apps. Now go over here, tap over here at the top. Now you need to search for the app that you wanted to delete. So I'm trying to delete the PayPal app from here. So I have to search here for PayPal. And once I got this over here in the search, I need to just go over here, press and hold. Now I have an option here called delete app. So I have to tap on the delete app. So the app will be deleted from here. Just go for deleted. And right now you can see that the PayPal app is completely deleted from my iPhone over here, and this is how we can do it. Now apart from this, if we wanted to delete multiple apps, how we can do it? So to do so we have two methods. Either the first method, you can just go over here, use your hand. You just need to go over here, press and hold on any blank space. So you can see this right now, the app starts jiggling. Now what you need to do is you have to tap on the minus icon over here, so that you'll be getting this option, and now you can delete the app here from as well. That is also a method, and you can just tap over here so it will be gone. And now also apart from this, if you don't have a space, if you wanted to delete over here, you can also do it in another way. That is all about you can delete the multiple apps in the same way. Just go over here, press and hold on this particular app, keep on pressing. So right now as you can see, the app starts jiggling. Now what you need to do is you have to tap on the minus icon over here. So you'll be getting the delete app option here. Now you need to tap on the delete app, so it will be deleted from here as well. And this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.